Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about congruence. First, we will know the meaning of congruence. Congruence means two figures of the same shape and size. Two figures are said to be congruent if they have same shape and size. Same shape and size means the figures, the size and shape of both the figures must be same. It means they fit over each other exactly when superposed. इसका मतलब यह है कि जब उनको एक दूसरे के ऊपर सुपरपोज किया जाए, दूसरे के ऊपर उठा के रखा जाए, तो वे एक दूसरे को पूरी तरह से कवर कर लें. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, if we take two coins of the same series, means एक ही ईयर के जारी किए गए दो कॉइन्स हों, सपोज ₹1 के दो कॉइन्स हमारे पास हैं, दोनों सेम ईयर के, सपोज 82 के जो है दोनों कॉइन हैं. तो अगर हम उठा के उस कॉइन को एक दूसरे के ऊपर रखेंगे, सुपरपोज करेंगे, तो वे एक दूसरे को पूरी तरह से कवर करेंगे. ओके, तो कॉन्ग्रुएंस मींस if they cover each other exactly when superposed, means the figures must be same shape and size. The symbol for congruence is this. इक्वल साइन के ऊपर यस को हम मिटा दें. ये जो आपका जो है फिगर दिख रहा है, ये कॉन्ग्रुएंस का सिंबल है. ओके, two line segments. Now we will discuss about the congruence of line segment, angles, circles and square. About line, two line segments are congruent if they have same length. Means if the length of both the line segments are same, then they are congruent. Suppose we are given two lines AB and CD, and the length of AB is 4 centimeter and length of CD is also 4 centimeter. Then line segment AB congruent to CD. Okay, means the line segment of the same length are always congruent. Now about angles. Two angles are congruent if they have same measure. Means the measure of both the angles must be equal. Then they are congruent. Suppose we are given two angles, angle ABC and angle PQR, and measure of both the angles is 45 degree. Measure of angle ABC is 45 degree, and measure of angle PQR is also 45 degree. Then angle ABC congruent to angle PQR. Angle ABC congruent angle PQR, because measure of angle ABC is equal to measure of angle PQR, that is equal to 45 degree. Therefore, angle ABC congruent to angle PQR. Now about circle. Two circles are congruent if they have same radius. Suppose we are given circle whose radius is A, whose center is A, and radius of this circle is 3 centimeter, and the circle whose center is O and its radius is also 3 centimeter. Then these two circles are congruent. Okay, it means to be congruent of two circles, their radius must be same. Now about squares. Two squares are congruent if they have same side length. Suppose we are given two squares. One of the square is ABCD, whose side length is 4 centimeter. and another square is square PQRS, whose side is also 4 centimeter. Then square ABCD congruent to square PQRS. Okay? Now I hope that all of you must have understood about the congruence and about the congruence of line segment, angles and circles and about squares. Okay students, now today you will learn all these conditions and always keep in your mind. Okay, that's all for the day.